Welcome to this moment of pause and presence. Whether you're indoors by a window, near a plant, or outdoors, this experience can be enjoyed wherever you are. I invite you to set aside distractions, place your phone on airplane mode, and if possible, put it in your pocket or set it on a speaker. And if you're using earbuds, try leaving one in and one out to stay connected to both my voice and the sounds around you. Please take any necessary safety precautions and make choices that feel right for your well being. We're about to begin. Before we begin, I invite you to find a comfortable position. Whether you're sitting, standing, or laying down, let your body settle into the earth, feeling the support beneath you. I invite you to start by looking around and noticing where you are. Take in the space around you. Notice what is alive and shares this space with you. Take a few moments to simply listen. We are surrounded by the sounds of nature. As you become still, begin to notice the input your ears are receiving from the world around you. If you feel comfortable, I invite you to close your eyes or lower your gaze and notice the first sound that calls your attention. There's no need to search for the sound. Simply allow it to come to you, allowing nature to speak directly to you in this moment. Perhaps you'd like to turn your head or your body in different directions to see if you can catch other sounds around you. What is the closest sound you can hear? What is the furthest sound you can hear? If you feel comfortable, I invite you to create your own sound to add to the melody of the space you're in. And I wonder, what does it feel like to be part of the melody of this space? Now, I invite you to bring your awareness to a single sound that brings you a sense of pleasure, comfort, or ease, and just stay with it for a moment. And I wonder, what does it feel like to really listen? And as you stay with the sound, invite a sense of curiosity. And I wonder, where is this sound coming from? What might its journey have been? Notice how your body responds as it interacts with this sound. Simply observe without judgment. Now, as you continue to connect with this place through your sense of hearing, gently place one hand on your heart, allowing the sounds to enter, whatever that means to you. And I wonder, what does it feel like to connect with the sounds around you in this way? As you continue breathing, I invite you to bring your awareness to the silence between the sounds. Notice the spaces where the sound pauses, where there is only stillness. And I wonder, what does the silence feel like in your body? As we begin to close this exploration, gently bring your attention back to the full symphony of sounds around you. Notice how they weave together, creating a unique soundscape in this moment. Each sound has its place, just as you have yours in this shared experience. When you're ready, take a deep breath in, filling yourself with the sounds of nature, and exhale. Now, gently open your eyes and take a moment to look around you as if you're seeing everything for the first time. As this experience comes to an end, I invite you to spend a few more minutes wandering around the space if you feel called to do so. Thank you for your presence in this shared exploration.